First, let us highlight the features and benefits of the Elite Back. It is constructed of a lightweight aluminum back shell with 3 inches of depth contour, which creates inherent lateral trunk support, promoting a midline posture. It also accommodates lateral thoracic supports when you are looking for additional trunk control. The foam pad is oversized on the back shell to ensure that it covers the edges to prevent possible contact with the client's body. The pad also wraps over the top of the back shell to protect the client. For example, when a client in a lower height Elite Back has to extend over for dressing or other daily activities. The 18-inch and 20-inch Elite Backs are designed with scapular relief, which facilitates upright trunk posture by preventing the shoulders and the trunk from being pushed forward. It also allows full scapular movement for increased upper extremity range of motion, for reach and wheelchair propulsion. The back is an open design below the lateral contour, allowing the pelvis to move posterior without obstruction. The standard Elite Back may be used for someone with better trunk balance to provide posterior stability with mild lateral trunk orientation. The greatest benefit is the versatility of the heights available in this back. We can take a client from a 10-inch high back of just stabilizing the PSIS, the posterior superior iliac spine, and staying at or just below the inferior scapula, or come all the way up near the top of the shoulders. There is a large selection of back heights in 2-inch increments, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Elite Backs are available in 1-inch increments from 12 inches to 20 inches wide. The weight capacity is 300 pounds. Headrest can be mounted to the Elite Back with a Matrx headrest interface plate. These plates are pre-drilled for attaching a variety of headrest receivers. In a rolling change, the 16-inch, 18-inch, and 20-inch tall Elite Backs are pre-drilled for an attachment of the interface plate. Please note the interface provides clearance for the vertical headrest attachment due to the wrap-over foam on the top of all Elite Backs. There are a variety of options for additional lateral thoracic supports on the Elite Back. Fixed, offset fixed, swing away, and offset swing away. These options allow us to precisely place the laterals for additional postural control. A privacy flap is available as an upcharge option and a rolling change. All PB and Elite Backs will have a Velcro strip that is sewn into the upholstery. There will be 4 flap sizes based on back width. There is a double over sewn fabric designed to create a finished look. The Matrx Elite Deep offers 6 inches of lateral depth contour. The contour provides maximal trunk support without scapular or pelvic interference. Client examples would be a more active manual wheelchair propeller who requires trunk support without obstruction of active scapular movement, or a newly injured spinal cord client.